how to edit scan settings on Discord mobile. Hello guys, in this video will show you how to edit scan settings on your Discord mobile. First go to Discord and then click go to the server first, and now click this one and then settings, and now click this one moderation, and now all I need to do is just select anything you want, like don't scan any media content, or this one, scan media content from members without a role, or you can select the last one, scan media content from all members. And that's today's video. If you like it, don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.